Look, this is actually mine.
They've changed them over the years to make them better.
Are you trying to like jockey for and see what's on the inside? Link it below. We are professionals. Hey, David.
Careful, it's sharp on the back side. It has a little glue.
I don't even think this would shatter.
No, you probably just drop it. Oh. Have more things, not just sports balls.
Yeah, table, and there's like hundreds of gold play buttons just lined up. And remember how I made a video a while ago? Appointment go with the baby. South Africa to propose to.
Oh.
Wait, did it just happen?
Oh yeah. Diamond Award. So we printed on there, but it was already a blemished one that they would
Wait,
meant
did
for
we
the junk
print the
pile.
blemished one, or where they made go to their channel where they made like a longer video play buttons with the gold ones and the silver ones. It's pretty fascinating seeing like the assembly line. 8 pounds, she's getting big. Baby Georgie, fantastic video where they actually go and they visit like the factory.
While we were there, they showed us a blemished.
Come back soon, Dan. Solid piece of, what's this made out of?
Hey, these are the guys.
I told them they're not. It's like solid something, so careful.
It was my science project.
They just drive trackers.
Trackers and other beaters. It's a beater crew.
We're doing this.
This is metal, but this thing is made out of crystal, and we don't want to.
What's inside? How do you?
These are the guys.
Okay. Get on the secret.
Yeah. So we did a video where we went to YouTube Award.
Do you guys know how to use a chop saw?
Like safe top 5. So we have a saying. You know, some people say like safety is our #1 priority. We're like safety is in our
Let me see if I can get them.
headquarters, and
That's the crew.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow on the show where I cut in half my Tesla. And that's what we're gonna use to cut. Dude, careful, one for free. And it's hard to describe, but listen.
Do you feel bad? I mean, this is an award. Your Diamond Award does something like this, where they give their creators an award that costs money, time.
Thank you for watching. I miss Dan. Bye. You see that? This is Casey Neistat. Congratulations on passing 10 million subscribers. You before?
No, I haven't.
All right. It's heavy and. Okay, I thought the baby was here. She's not. How did the doctors? Bye. All right. What do we?
Okay.
Saw's ready. What's the first?
Saw's ready. Yeah, I mean, what other platform? My face.
Is it
my
actually
skin.
kind of joking?
Yeah, it
'cause
was a joke, I think.
Everything's normal. 8 pounds.
YouTube career is this. Where's my
I'm
good one?
Pretty sure. Did we got the right one?
For some YouTube
No.
favoritism here?
That would be
Did
nice.
they pay you
YouTube.
to say that?
No. They
Just name the channel what's inside so we can.
Feels solid. It says my name on the back. You get 10 million subscribers. YouTube gives you. It's heavy. I miss Dan a lot. I don't know if you've been watching his videos, but when I told. What did you do? Okay.
Okay.
So look. We made a fake one so we could do that stunt. Today, a fun little video, a fun little experiment would be to go ahead and saw this in half.
That didn't happen.
Okay, all right, what now?
So the rest of this is.
So I thought this is Dan and this is Lincoln. These guys have a fan, and especially don't cut in half the saw.
That's the real one.
Okay, so Dan cut my actual one.
No, this is the blemished one.
You sure?
Just a little bit of blemish on
So
there.
that name. Really?
Completely solid. So if we're gonna get into this, I don't think there's gonna be diamonds, but
And certainly a crowning achievement in my own YouTube. Yeah, it really is interesting. I think the most telling thing was like that shot where there's his girlfriend. Oh. Congrats, standing Gabs. Like not just the diamond. Congratulations on passing 10 million subs. Okay.
I love that.
And to anyone, so we engraved the name on the back.
This is space grade aluminum.
Cut anything in half at home. Barriers here. Look. Man, I was gonna be taking like a month off. Right? And she weighs a whopping 8 pounds.
I take the metal blade.
Two lovely ladies.
And
Metal bit off the bottom. It's glued on there really well. This, I just blew a fuse. Fantastic YouTube channel called What's Inside, where they cut things open and see. And it's sort of the only like realization or physical side. Off to have a baby, said great, I'm gonna go back to.
Do you feel bad about cutting?
Just kidding.
It's lead-free crystal. You're sure you're good with this?
Yeah, do it.
Tracker crew.
You're part of a tracker crew?
Yeah.
There's a crew of people. Will it shatter?
Guys, don't do that.
You guys come up with the name. You cut
Pretty
everything
much.
open.
oh,
You want to see it?
yeah,
Have you seen?
we had to pick a question, so we decided to do what's inside sports balls. But then we.
Yeah, I thought you had the baby with you.
No, sorry.
Still because I like my eyes.
Zuzu tracker, man.
Yeah?
He is 1 month old today.
People always ask me that in the comments.
Do I feel bad? Oh, this is an actual one that we cut in half.
It's real.
They just weren't gonna send.
I don't know.
That's a terrible idea. Thing where you get to see how many people are crossing that threshold to 1 million subscribers
Every day.
every day. Okay, that was like a faulty one.
Yeah.
Yes.
But this is a genuine one. If you get 10 million subs, this is what you get. These big, the diamond play button. You get these when you, please, don't cut. Complaining about how the city of New York needed to get rid of. Dude, I love you. Crystal?
It's, what is it called, Paul?
Lead-free crystal.
It's,
Okay, you're right. Mine's here. And Lincoln here got a quick breakfast date before I go into work. Quick breakfast date with. Can you see?
What?
Brownie achievement. Where's the real one? Where'd I put it? Oh, here it is. Yep. They're doing it. Good work, New York.
and put it on the crystal.
This.
They pay us for any of this.
But I honestly, I don't think I would have done it if we haven't. Okay,
We're just
let me
gonna-
just show
yeah,
the logo
go ahead.
here. This one's actually mine. In any YouTuber's YouTube career. Did it work?
Yeah, it came on.
I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do, I found a motive. Easy getting fame these days, since you do not need any talent. People try to take me down, but too bad there ain't no repellent. Divide myself count by 10 mil, get the IQ of all my viewers. Of all my viewers who are too retarded to watch real YouTubers. My vids contain of adding a little fucking cam screen, which 10-year-olds enjoy cause they don't have their own opinion. They're stupid and my minions got me over 1 million. This is the age of YouTube, no talent equals millions. Getting paid, get paid for nothing. If you're watching this right now, just turn on your cam. All you need is a fake smile to get them views and get all this money. Thank God that the world's retarded. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. It's so amazing you can grow up people's content. Lazy life, I got it like this my fucking job, bitch. Resume on fleek, on your salary in 1 week, cunt. And it's not only me, cunt. No, there's 100 more cunts. Yeah, all I do is lay back, react to trending topics. Still I'm the trending topic. Then react to my own vids and get 1 million more hits. Thank the Lord I got rich by all these stupid kids. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion.